Lute Player, Watercolor by Vladimir London.
In this video lesson, you'll discover how to make an illustration in watercolor using various painting techniques.
This is the finished artwork I will have at the end of this video lesson. The backdrop for this illustration was inspired by the architecture of Venice. This wonderful city has so much to offer to fine artists, designers, and illustrators, and has endless examples of beautiful art and architecture. I am outlining the composition design in red pencil on tracing paper. Red pencil marks will blend with the colors of the piece, becoming an integral part of it. With the same red pencil, I will outline the frame borders of this illustration. These white borders are part of the design and will play a role in the composition. I place the outlined in red pencil drawing on top of the watercolor paper and affix the tracing paper with masking tape at one side. So, during the transferring process, I can easily flip over the tracing paper to see which lines remain to be transferred. Another sheet of tracing paper prevents the pencil from smudging. With the drawing in place, I can now accurately repeat line by line in black pen to transfer the drawing onto the watercolor paper. When the drawing is done, I can take off the tracing paper and prepare to paint. With a synthetic round brush, I will do the first imprimatura in light orange tint. I'm applying the paint on the paper using a plain saw wash. Every brush stroke is tilted at about a 45-degree angle and overlaps the previous one. These tilted brush strokes go at the angle of the direction paint flows down. This results in better intermixing between strokes and gives a much smoother wash without any brush stroke borders. As you can see, I am preserving white watercolor paper by painting around the figure and also by carefully going along the white frame.